Mm. Hello, my name is Jason Ortega, and today I will tell you about the most bitter experience that has happened to me at the age of 42. This happened last January 20, 2022, when I was in the hospital uh, with my father taking care of him since he was a quadriplegic. I received a call from an uncle to inform me that my two sons had a traffic accident on a motorcycle and that one of them was rushed to the hospital and that the other son was taken in another ambulance with two broken arms. I left my father and went to the other hospital where my son arrived. When you get there, you get a lump in your throat, not being able to do anything, and seeing him trying to fight for his life. At one point, a doctor tells you that uh, he is sorry, that nothing can be done. You see how the world is falling apart you and saying your 40 years old son on an operation room table without his loving smile that he always had. Uh, it's failing world which on anyone and to see your other son asking you about your brother and you not being able to tell him anything, you pretending to smile and telling him that he is fine and that he will be fine too and to be strong in the operation. And you waiting to scream to be able to realize a little bit of the pain you are feeling at that moment and not being able to. Well, that's a brief story of that beer experience that marks you for life. Thank you.